Jumping between 10 browser tabs just to find one answer is exhausting. ChatGPT now searches the web for you, and this changes everything. Alright, so to get started with the ChatGPT search engine, look the input prompt box in the center of your screen. There is a plus sign right beside it. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu, hover over More, and then select Web Search. So, go ahead and search anything you're curious about, and press Enter. What you will get is a proper answer, delivered by ChatGPT itself, already summarized and ready to read. And here's the really useful part. Each piece of information comes with a reference link right alongside it, so you can see exactly where the information is coming from. If you want to dig deeper into any result, just click on that link and it'll take you straight to the source. And honestly, this is truly a time saver. Instead of jumping between multiple websites trying to piece together an answer, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. So next time you need to search for something, give this a try. You might be surprised how much time it saves you.